Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to create to-do app using React and Tailwind CSS. First of all, there is no task on this app. Let's add first task. So I have added a task. When we add, there is a notification. Let's another task. By clicking on add button, there is a notification also. We can delete task by clicking on delete icon. Task deleted successfully. Also we can mark task is completed by clicking on this circle. Task is completed. There is a notification for that. Or we can unmark this task is not done yet. Let's another task. We can add task by clicking on enter button. Also there is no data lost when we click on refresh button. Later I will tell you how to store that data. Let's start the project. So I have created a folder to-do app on my desktop and open this folder in the VS Code. We will create our project using White and Tailwind CSS. So let's copy the command and paste it in the terminal. And paste command, remove my project and put /. Select React, select JavaScript. Our project is created. Let's install npm packages. Our packages have been installed. Let's clear the terminal. I will install Tailwind CSS. Now next, in the white.config.ts we have to Tailwind CSS. Close the terminal, import Tailwind CSS and put this into plugins array. Now import this Tailwind CSS into index.css. Remove all this previous CSS and paste import Tailwind CSS. Now let's run the project. npm run dev. Our project is running. Let's check on the browser side. So we have default project running. So let's remove this app.css. We don't require. And remove this react.svg icon. We also not required that. We are getting error. Let's remove this icon import and this app.css. Remove all these imports and remove this state variable. Also remove this inner and put a div to-do app. Now our project is clear. So first create a components folder in the src folder. Inside this folder create a new file and name this file is and create a component name is to-do RAFCE. Create a code snippet by using React code snippet. You can download it from VS Code extensions. Now import this component into app component. So to-do component is imported. Let's add some classes to app component. Flex, item center, justify center, hscreen and background color. So our background color is added. Now come to the to-do component. In this components on the first div, let's add Tailwind CSS classes. Class name bg white, minimum height 500 pixel, width 400 pixel, rounded 2XL, padding 4, shadow LG. After that, add a div, add some CSS classes, flex, item center, border 2, border rounded 3XL, overflow hidden. Inside this, add a input, type text, placeholder, add task, and adding some CSS classes, flex 1, padding left 3, outline none, border none. After that, add a button, give some CSS classes, flex center, item center, gap 2, BGC, text white, padding X 4, padding 2, and rounded 3XL, Z index 10, cursor pointer, and hover OK. Flex 1. Now it's looking good. Now I am going to add React icons. To use icons in To-Do app. So open the terminal, add second terminal and paste the command, press enter. Our package is installed. Close the terminal. Now let's add plus icon inside button. Let's import first. Import so our icon is imported. Let's add size property and give it 20. Now it's looking good. Now add list, give some CSS class, margin top 4, flex, column gap 2, height 80, overflow auto li, giving some classes, flex, justify between, hover bg gray, 200, padding 2, rounded 2XL, transition, and inside this create a div, add some CSS classes, flex, gap 5. Inside this, add a icon, also add another icon, let's comment first icon for now. After that, create a p tag. This is my task. Item, after this div, add a icon, md delete. This is delete icon. Let's give a size property 22 and adding some classes, cursor, pointer, text, red 700. Let's add this circle icon. Let's add some classes to circle icon. Class name, cursor, pointer. Size 25, size 25. So our app UI is ready. Now add a state variable. So I have added state variable to-do list. Inside this, all the tasks will be stored. Let's create another state variable. Now create a function, add task. This function will be used to create task. If task dot trim if task dot trim not is equal to empty, means if there is no task, then we will return from this function. Now let's install npm react toastify. By using this, we will show notifications. Open the terminal, paste command. Our package is installed. Now Now import toast container into the app component and add this. So our toast container is added. Now let's add this here inside add task function. Let's import first add a message. Let's add this. Now let's add this add task function to add button. Let's check. Sorry, we have to remove this. Let's check. We are getting notification. After that, on input we will give value is equal to task and on change event equal to set task event target value. So our task value will be updated. After that, let's set to-do list. We will get previous data and previous data and add new. For the ID we will use UUID. So let's install ID UUID v4. Let's import. So this will generate unique ID for the task. After that, add a task and there is a property to show if task is completed or not. Let's remove this. We don't require that. And let's display our task list in the UI. So for that, let's to-do list dot length is greater than 0. If to-do list length is greater than 0, then we will show our task. Else in this condition, if there is some task, then we will display these tasks. Else if there is no task, we will show a message. Then add some CSS classes to this div. Flex item center, flex column, gap 5, justify center and height is 325 pixel. Inside this, let's add a icon by task. giving it a size of 100, adding class text 800, adding a p tag, all done for now. Adding some classes to it, text 3XL, font bold. So currently there is no task, so we are getting this message. So let's add, so list our task here, brackets to-do list dot map. We will destructure our task object id, task is completed. Then copy this, now add your task in p tag and our task is visible now. Next we will give condition is complete to show task is done or not. So is completed, is completed, then show first icon. Otherwise show second icon. Let's add key property, key is equal to id to unique child. Now create a function that will handle if task is completed or not. So let's const handle task. We will pass id of the task, then set to-do list dot map to do. If inside this we will check if to do id is equal to passed id. Then return task object with updated status. And else return others, same it is, and display notification. In set to-do list we are setting our to-do list with a condition that if current to-do.id is equal to passed id of a task is equal to true, then this task plus updated status of this task is returned. So on circle icon we will add function handle task on both. Let's check. Okay, we have to add some condition in classes. Okay, we have to pass id. id of a task. Let's check. So our icon is changing. Let's give some color. Text green 800. So its color is green now. Now let's come to the p tag, adding classes. Using backtick, if is completed then show line through, otherwise nothing. And some extra classes, width 200 pixel and break word. Okay, let's backtick inside brackets. So let's add a task. Let's change its status by clicking on circle. So this task is completed. Now let's work on delete function. Const delete task. Passing ID and then set to-do list and to-do list dot filter, then single to do if to do dot id not equal to id, then display notification. Now add this function to md delete. On click delete task and pass the id. So we have added delete function to delete icon. Now let's check task is deleted or not. So our task is deleted. Okay, now let's add a functionality where we can add task by clicking on enter button. So add a function const handle key down equal to if passing a event object, if event dot key equal to enter, then end task dot trim not equal to empty string, then add task. If user press enter and task not is equal to empty, then invoke add task function. Now let's add this to input. On key down, handle key down, pressing. Let's check it's working or not. Adding a task, pressing enter, our task is added. So For now, on refresh, our task is removed because our data is not stored. So let's add a local storage in which we will save our task data. So initialize our to-do list by local storage. json.parse local storage get item to-do list, and after the delete task function, let's import use effect. Inside this set to-do list json.parse local storage.get item to-do list passing empty array. Now copy this. So inside use effect, if there is anything change on the app, we will set our new local storage with to-do list. So inside use effect, our local storage is updated regularly. Here we will pass to-do list and inside this use effect we are setting our local storage. These both use effect will update data regularly. Inside this we will stringify before saving data. Now let's check our app is working fine or not. So let's add a task 1. Our task is added. Let's add another task 2. Let's refresh the browser. So our data is saved. On refresh we are not losing our data. So this is the app. Finally we have completed. Let's click on circle. Task is completed. Let's delete. Task is deleted. All done for now. Empty. There is no task now. Let's add another task 3. Task 4. Complete. We can click on circle to mark complete or incomplete. So finally we have completed our to-do app using React and Tailwind CSS. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.